Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making my new favorite midweek meal, spicy blackened salmon with a fresh mango salsa. This is the perfect summer dinner because it's ready in 20 minutes and packed with tropical flavor. Let's get into it. Let's combine all our spice blends together. My key ingredients: smoked paprika, cayenne, salt, let me know in the comment what spice blend do you use for your blackened salmon. Let's get some oil on these babies so we can get all of that spice blend sticking to our salmon pieces to form some beautiful blackened crust, just the way we like it. Let's press our beautifully washed and clean salmon pieces into this gorgeous spice mix blend. We want to get it all nicely coated just on the flesh side, not the skin. So we don't want the skin to burn. Look at that. That's what we're talking about. Whilst our blackened salmon taking on some flavors, let's get our mango salsa ready. In with our pineapple and mango, Scotch bonnet garlic. Scotch bonnet is for a bit of kick and island vibe. I'm using a handful of washed coriander, a cilantro, and I have a small bit of mint in it to add a pop of freshness to go with the coriander. But of course you can use whatever fresh herbs you like. We're just going to chop these into small pieces. Oh my goodness, this smells so intoxicating, so fresh and summery. Beautiful. In with our chopped onion, just using half of that onion, and a nice big handful of our chopped herbs. Now for a little mix, and what we're going to do, we're going to leave the wet ingredient until last whilst we cook our salmon, and then we return to mix it all together because we want to keep it nice and vibrant and not too mushy. I'm loving how that is looking. Really nice, summery, colorful, island vibe, all of that. Love it. To our hot pan, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of neutral oil. We're going to get that really hot so it seals our blackened salmon and give it that nice crust that we're looking for. So we need the pan to be screaming hot. Can you see that shimmering coming off the pan? Now we're ready to hit it with our salmon for about 2 to 3 minutes before we flip them. Let's flip them. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Nicely done. Fire off. Let's finish off our salsa in with a splash of olive oil. Just a little splash. Literally that. Pinch of salt. For some acidity, we're going in with a lime. And I've decided I wanted some creaminess to this as well, so I'm going in with half an avocado. Now we're going to give that a lovely mix. Whilst we're mixing this, why don't you drop in the comment and tell me what is your go-to midweek summer fare that it's quick and easy that you can do within the 15 to 20 minutes. I'd love to hear all about that. Let's get engaging. Claudie squad. I've tasted that and I'm happy with the flavor. So let's plate up. Look at this beautiful blackened salmon. Look at that. And now for the star of the show, Claudiecooks vibrant mango salsa. And there you have it, the best blackened salmon you will ever make all summer. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more Claudiecooks recipe. Enjoy and check out my ultimate potato salad to serve with this. Peace out. Are you excited for the taste tester? Let's get in. Look at that. Perfectly seasoned. It's really juicy and perfectly cooked. Let's try some of our salsa. Just squeeze a bit of lemon juice or lime juice over that to brighten it even more. Wow. I've got my dancing shoes on and I'm gonna go and enjoy this because the weather is popping out. See you in the next video.
Claudiecooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices.